Psalm 100 verse 1 says, "Make a joyful noise unto the Lord." To be joyful means that we're excited, we're exuberant, we are just overflowing with laughter, with excitement. But the word noise in Hebrew means a voice or a thunder, or you could say a thunderous voice. In other words, shout it out. You know, a lot of times when we go to a sports game, or we're watching maybe the football game or the baseball game on TV, and if they get a touchdown or a good play, or perhaps on the baseball team they got a triple out, or someone hit a grand slam, we get so excited, we jump up and we're just flailing our hands in the air and we're just so excited. Well, as believers, when we come into His presence, we should come with excitement and with a thunderous voice of praise, for He is worthy of it all. And I encourage you today, come before His presence with a thunderous voice of praise, for He is worthy of it.